Hello guys, good evening. Welcome again to my channel, Ivy Marie. And sa video ito ay gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung 18th birthday ng aking pinsan na si Sheila Ruby Salvo. So ito ay naganap noong February 28 ng gabi. So ako yung naging MC nung kanyang debut party. So gusto ko siyang i-share kasi sa family namin, siya lang yung kauna-unahang nag-debut party ng ganun ka bongga, kumbaga. So gusto ko lang i-share sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang mama nandun ngayon sa London. So shout out sa iyo, Mama Ina, at maraming salamat sa pag-invite at maraming salamat sa pag-share ng mga blessings. So I hope na you are safety and laging safe ka dyan sa malayong lugar. So, itong video na ito ay talagang ginawa ko para din makita mo yung buong mga pangyayari ko, ano yung naganap nung birthday ni Sheila. So, sa lahat ding mga supporters ko, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ito. At ito yung dapat na-edit ko na to, kaya lang nawala siya. So, kailangan ko na siyang i-edit ulit. So, ito na kung gusto nyong panoorin, tapusin nyo ang buong video. At bago ko i-share sa inyo, gusto ko sanang sabihin sa inyo na mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel. I-click nyo yung subscribe button, then sa baba. Then, i-click nyo yung bell button para maging updated kayo sa lahat ng aking uploads, sa lahat ng aking ganap. And i-share nyo din yung aking video. So, watch this.
Don't let my love grow cold, 'cause I'm calling
Ayan siya pag-dance. Ato bang diri siya, pot? You have to face sa mga kuan guests. Ah. Ato bang puno sa audience? Kisa asa kuning tao dire? Ato bang mo dire? Likod ra ko nang makita. Okay, sige, next si Janjan. Oh, yan yung cousin. First cousin. First cousin ba? Sakto. Okay ni, may liho naman ko ni sila. Wala may patuyok-tuyok. Igo-igo siya karong hupog siya. Pwede po niyo sila. Oh, kanalibot-libot pa kay para makuha ang tanang anggol. Kabalos lagi. Kamu, ikaw, sige, patuyok siya, patuyok ka ba sila? Smile. Iya gihapong cousin. Wala ka practice ni kanina ni. Sao na manggod ang duha ka kamot abaga manggod. Smile pa iwil. Bahala makita ng mga kuhan. Tuyok mo, te. kayo.
Ikaw ay pangalala na kagibog na. Yung pangalap sa inyong mama na tumanag yun. Dapat ang tapo na. Magkaroon ka sa inyong pag-aaral. Tigilan pa! Oh, happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, She. I pray that God blesses you with all the happiness in this universe. May you prosper and shine everywhere you go. Friends, grow up and move away. But one thing that never lost is your family. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. You've reached an important milestone in your life. It's still a long way to go towards your destination, but keep your head up and smile. Have a great birthday.
As a star was born 18 years ago, and we have basket in our lives and glow. You were an amazing child, and now you are an amazing young adult. And I pray that your life will be filled with joy and peace as always.
Happy birthday, Sheila. May God give you the best out of the best. Then, one chat away rami ni Andy dayon. Kabalo ka nga narapod mo sige mo dayon. Mura to. Gikan kini sa among malumong kasing-kasing sa akong baby. Happy birthday.
Umaga ka na. Isag wala ka mama dire, magbinutan ka. Sa imong pag-eskwela, hope na. Dagang pang tuig sa imong pagpuyo. Many more birthday to come in your life. Thank you.
May you have all the joy your heart can hold, all the smiles a day can bring, all the blessings a life can unfold. May you get the world's best in everything. I wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by you, and I wish you
Thank you for inviting me or choosing me as part of your 18 Candles Chill. And I know nga dagan kayo ka struggles na face in your life. And as you
nga independent na taha. 18 na ta, we can be independent or it doesn't mean nga independent na jud ta. And I wish you makuan ka na mato ka sa right path kay nagkaila jud ta kay naman sila Ross friends ako pero kanang kuan po si kamo ni Ross kamo man katong kuan group na to sa klase jud kay kuan jud mo.
from a childish girl turns to very gorgeous lady, and welcome to Legality. We've been friends for a decade, I guess. We are very lucky to have a friend like you who's very cheerful despite of your struggles in life. We are witness sa inyo imuhang mga problema like ginachika nimo, and we are also witness yung sa nimo pag-fight nila isang tuod o sakit na kayo para nimo, but you still choose on you still choose on fighting them. Wish for you is that keep on fighting the possible problems you will encounter, especially you're 18 now. Don't forget that you have God in your life, and we are always here for you bisag takas-takas ng laag usahay. Thank you so much for everything, Shi, and may God will fulfill your heart with the happiness you deserve in your life. Happy 18th birthday, and thanks. You're one of my true and trustworthy friends. I'm so grateful to have you in my life as a tita, a cousin, and a friend of mine. Thank you also because you're always there when I need you. Thank you sa mga libre, sa atong mga laag bisag mausahay pangisganta, sa atong picture-picture na basig asa laman mo abot o pictorial, atong mga chika o atong mga kabuang. for all those memorable memories we have, and I hope we can add more of them in the future. I wish you all the best. Enjoy your day, and may your 18th birthday full of happiness. Just stay, Sheila, that I know even challenges may come. Always remember that I am always here for you. Love you, and again, happy 18th birthday to you. Welcome for being a good friend and for the laughter and tears that we share. Oh. And I just want you to know that I'll be here for you always. I'm just a call away. I wish you the very best in life. Can you continue to reach your dreams?
I can still remember katong grade 11 patacho. Dili ko ka-close din po. Katong una. Then, mo to, nagka-close na kayo po. Nakay sa Labinday. Sweet treasured our companionship, being classmates, being friends, asa kamad to. And the most of it, we tried our best and striving hard in our studies, and thanks God, we surpassed it. Graduate na taday, pasar baday ko. And now, we are about to finish our senior high, and one of my friends is
For being a good friend of mine. Take care always. I love you. First na to sa grade 11 o grade 12, bisan kuan ka na wala tay klase, at least like friends na punta. And thank you sa mga kuan ka na mga memories na to, mga laag sa like dili kay ta close pero kung magkuyog ta mura ta like close jud, diba? So wala siya, happy birthday, love you.
Kasi yung tingog ko.
There's always gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it move. Always gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's a climb.
Like a river, 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 like a river. Shut your mouth and run me like a river. How do we fall in love? Harder than a bullet could hit you. How do we fall apart? Faster than a hairpin trigger. Don't you say, don't you say, don't say, don't you say. One breath, it'll just break it. So shut your mouth and run me like a river. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Holy hands full of matrix window. Like a river, like a river. Shut your mouth and
just like magic, just like magic. Middle finger to my thumb and then I snap it. Ay, just like magic, I'm attracted. I get everything I want 'cause I attract it.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, go.
Don't let my love grow cold, 'cause I'm calling out, light the fire again. Don't let my vision die. I'm calling out, light the fire again. You know my heart, my deeds. I'm calling out, light the fire again. I need your discipline. I'm calling out, light the fire again. I hit a by gold, refined in the fire, naked and poor, rigid and blind. I come, clothe me in white, so I won't be ashamed. Lord, light the fire again. Yeah, yeah. Don't let my love grow cold. I'm calling out, light the fire again. Don't let my vision die. I'm calling out, light the fire again. You know my heart and my deeds.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.